Hey everybody, I want to spend a minute or two today talking about drill through. And this is one of the best techniques, I think, for providing your viewers a way to delve a bit deeper into the analysis that you provide. And so here I've got just a simple setup of a bar chart with a drill through page for the details. And there was a post I did this weekend which shows that like when we mouse over here using the modern visual tooltip, it actually provides the drill through option right on the tooltip. And that is a great construct, but the one problem with that is that in looking at the visual, the viewer may not know that that drill through option is available unless they mouse over a bar. And so the question is, how do we make the drill through option more prominent? And I'll show you a technique I really like. So if we go here, what I've got is a blank button that prompts the user that there's a drill through option available and prompts them to select a state in order to activate that drill through. And so if we click on North Carolina here, you'll see that the button turns green, and then it says click to drill through to the state options, state details, and we've got a little bounce effect here, and then we click and it takes us to the North Carolina details. And so I want to show you how that sets up, since it's pretty easy to do and I think it's an effective technique. So if we go to the Power BI file where we developed this, what it is you drop a blank button here and then you add the text and the icon. And the two things you have to do is you have to set the action. So the action here is activated. It's a drill through, and it drills through to the state detail. And then the other thing you have to do is you have to set the styles. And in this case, there's 3 styles. So there's the first style you want to set is disabled. And so disabled is what the button looks like when there's no selection made and the drill through option is not available. So in this case, what we've got is it says please select a state. We've got the target icon, and then we've got the background fill color is red. And then what we want to do is we want to set the default status, which is for when the drill through is activated, and that's when we say click to drill through, and we set the icon to drill and the fill to green. And then the last thing we do is just set the on hover to the same as default, but we just put a slight font change in for that bounce effect. And you can, going back, you can see exactly how that looks. So we click here, we get the change in color, we mouse over, we get the bounce effect, and then we click on this and we get the drill through. So that, I think, is a really helpful technique, and one that will make the drill through a lot more prominent for your viewers. So I hope you find that helpful. Interested to hear what you think.